Okay, let's start to find the trading zone for the week of or 30th March to 3rd April. So from 30th March to 3rd April, so this week is slightly like middle of the week is changing the new monthly candle. So this one quite be interesting and have to be wait and see how is monthly candle form. Okay, so before go into chart, let's see the any major news event. Monday, not much. Tuesday, Thursday, okay. Trading bell only. I think there's a Friday is an US non-farm. So the whole week only for major news is like only for non-farm payroll. The rest is the normal red folder news. So it's all tradable. So based on the calendar, there I see it's a Monday. Nothing much. I won't be trade on the Monday. I will be wait and see the opportunity on the Tuesday. Tuesday is the last day of the month of the March. Then the 1st April and the 2nd April. So this is after 1st April. I think we already know that what is the monthly candle completion for the March. So quite interesting week. So maybe I will take the opportunity, see got setup appear. I will be trade on the Tuesday. If not, I will be trading on Wednesday or Thursday. Friday, most likely I will not be trading because of all the bank holiday in the Asia session and the London session. Only market will be active at the US session. So end of the week normally I don't want to trade. Okay, let's move to the chart. So let's see what is the potential trading zone for this week. Okay, start with the ES. ES. Okay, this is the ES, the 4-hour chart. So basically, the last week Friday market closing is touching to this weekly and monthly gap. So it's when tomorrow Monday market open, we have to see how is market. Most likely because of this bullish gap. So I think market will be some kind of reaction, retrace back. So minimally have to go back to this area. This area is a 4-hour gap, and this is I draw is a 4-hour area, 4-hour fair value area. So this on top is a daily gap. I don't think it's because the market is quite bearish, so market will not be likely going to this level, but minimally will be going to this. If not, market will be going to Monday market opens, they continue down, maybe go up a bit, and then next day, the new month, the beginning of the April, may be going drop some more. So we have to so far the S&P 500. I don't have any trading zone for this week, but only see how is the during the week how is the market develop the price. So it's right as of now no trading zone, only need to monitor. So go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq quite similar. So Nasdaq is slightly interesting is because everything here is the same. It's the same like S&P 500 daily gap, 4-hour gap, the area. Also market is reacting to the monthly gap. But okay, let's go to weekly time frame first. Why I want to show you is a weekly time frame. Okay, so this is a two gap overlapping. This is the weekly gap. Then this is the big one is the monthly gap. But last week the Friday market is already reaction on the weekly gap. So that's why this market come into this weekly gap and close above. So I make it, this is the weekly rejection low. So that's why it's a weekly rejection low. From here is my sell zone. So this is the different from S&P 500. So Nasdaq is already have a weekly rejection low zone, weekly rejection level, then can trade to have to be careful that this is a monthly gap. So this monthly gap, how is reaction? We have to wait and see for Monday and Tuesday because monthly candle will be closed on the Tuesday. So based on first 2 day of the week, how is the rejection? It might be market Monday and Tuesday will go up. So this weekly rejection low is same as the monthly rejection low. Then it's very clear. This zone is very good to trade. So let's see how is Monday and Tuesday reaction. So as of today, even though weekly rejection low level, below is a sell zone, but have to be careful for first 2 day, Monday and Tuesday. How is a reaction from the monthly gap? Is market maybe retrace back to this one, then this level, then after that, there may be beginning of the next month, there may be drop. So it's quite possible. Okay, let's go to Aussie 200. Okay, Aussie 200 as of today, based on this 4-hour chart, I have been already drawn two interesting zone. Mostly I be interested in the selling side. So selling side is from below this weekly rejection low, then to next weekly gap. So this is more of sell zone. For the buy side, last week already tested this daily rejection high. So this is but market unable to close above. So this zone is still valid for this week. If really market come back to above this level, so it's easily can trade. So this is the daily rejection high. To the next level is this weekly gap. So this is Aussie is possible. Is the market is still be in this ranging. So it's possible to the buy side and also sell side, because the buy side is this monthly rejection low is this is the week last week that market is sweep. So stay above this level and then break above this daily rejection high. So market may be potentially going to this weekly gap. So downside is only market close below this weekly rejection low. This maybe is that is a potential sell setup maybe here. But zone is a bit slow, but small that need to be monitor how is price action. So lastly we go to UK 100. Okay, UK 100 also a bit similar to Aussie 200. So UK 100 from the downside last week already they have a cross to the weekly rejection low, but is now is the pattern is like sweep. Okay, let's go to weekly. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. This weekly rejection low is from this weekly gap. So the weekly gap, this one already rejected, so that's why we define the weekly rejection low. But this week market break down to the weekly rejection low, but close above, close inside this zone. So it's meaning like this is the pattern of sweep. So is this sweep is potentially can be upside also. This upside is I only monitor this above this daily rejection high, the next level going to weekly gap. So this is for buy zone. For sell side, I want to see break this previous low. Then the downside, the target is to next monthly gap. So this is for potential sell zone. Okay, so that's all for this week. So it's potentially S&P 500 and Nasdaq is have to wait and see for first 2 day of the week. The Aussie and UK is already have the defined zone. Okay, that's all for this week.